northern Burma, on the road to China, is the strategic Jap-held city of Myitkyina. 2 miles to its south is Myitkyina airstrip, key to the capture of this stronghold. United States transports and gliders head for the field taken just hours before by Chinese and American troops. Aboard these big ships, Chinese reinforcements and American airborne engineers ride together with tractors and other air base equipment. Below is the rough shell and bomb-pocked Myitkyina strip, still under enemy fire, where the heavily loaded gliders must land. Watch this glider. Coming in fast and low, it heads for what appears to be an unavoidable collision on the closely packed field. The gliders unload. Some of these troops will stay to guard and recondition the airstrip, but most will push on to take the city of Myitkyina. Uncle Joe's chariot brings General Joseph W. Stilwell to the field. He confers with General Frank Merrill, whose marauders took the Myitkyina strip after an epic 25-day mountain march through Jap lines. Our planes, some of them wrecked in landing, dot the airbase. Jap opposition continues from the air. An enemy plane comes over to attack the field. Here in the jungle, Lieutenant Colonel Seagrave, famed Burma surgeon, has set up a hospital. He operates on casualties while our fighters provide cover overhead. Myitkyina airstrip is an important stop on the air supply route to China. Thanks to American and Chinese soldiers fighting in hot, insect-ridden swamps and jungles, it is now in Allied hands.